Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and my shiny forehead. Welcome. This is my channel. I haven't done this in such a long time. Okay, so hey family. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, hi family, how are you doing? So today I actually wanted to have like a lot of things on my desk right now. I'm gonna try and move away. I actually wanted to do, because it's becoming like summer and hot, I wanted to do a how your face beat can last the summer heat. What was that? That was just like some fire. So I just wanted to film that video, well, show you guys how I usually have make my makeup last like the whole day. I actually went through, sorry, I keep looking at myself in the mirror. I'm just so beautiful. That's an affirmation every day, you have to say. So I've actually been using this technique. Well, it's not really a technique, it's just like two products that I really like work for me. I don't know if it would work for you. So my skin type is dry, is a combination of so many things that I don't even know. So it's just like, if it works for you, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's how it is over here. But basically I have dry skin, I have oily skin, and I also have sensitive skin. So do with that what you may. So I think we should maybe get started. The Maybelline Face Studio Prime. I don't know if you guys realized, but your girl got lashes. She got lashes. So I was a bridesmaid for my best friend's wedding, and I was just like, let me get my lashes done because it's just gonna make it easier. I don't have to worry about it. Oh girl, I need to tell you guys the tea on the lady that did my makeup. I think we should actually just make it a chit chat get ready with me, because the tea, oh my word, like really, I actually can't believe it even happened to me. I already primed my face, I did my brows, we are good. So I'm gonna get into this spicy ass story. I'm gonna get into the spicy ass story after I show you the two products that I'm using. Studio Fix Fluid in NC50, the Wet n Wild Photo Focused foundation in the shade Cocoa. So together these two give me the best all day coverage. It stays. I'd have to obviously like blot or powder my face, but that's only if I'm doing like hella strenuous things, which I'm probably never doing because it's Nathanie, come on. And let's get into this motherfucking story. I'm just using the Switch Beauty buffer brush to buff it in. So for my friend's wedding, my friend got a makeup artist to come do our makeup, obviously because it's like her day. She wants us all to look perfect and all of that. So the night before, she asked if we could go stay at her mom's house, just so we can all be together and have like a curly time and all that stuff. So I obviously did not object, because I could literally just chill there and they're amazing people. Shout out to them. And so then we wake up the next morning bright and early. We had our hair done at like, what was the time? I think it was like at 7. Get our makeup lady, she's running a bit late, so I'm like, okay, no, that's fine, because apparently the makeup lady, there's like 2 of them. One is for like darker skin tones. I was the darkest skin tone there. So I carry on with my life. I'm like, okay, no, she's gonna do a great job. This is like my first time getting anyone do my makeup. I don't know. Later on I realized, what was I thinking? So she kept on like applying my foundation. Luckily I brought my own foundation because I was like, let me not disrespect her. Like, I don't want to look like a clown and all of that. And so actually I wanted to set my brows quickly. So she does my brows. Sorry. She does. Luckily, I literally did everything for her. I went to go get my brows plucked. My brows haven't been plucked in the longest time. So I was basically like, let me just help you out so you can do me right. So she does my brows. She keeps them extra thin. You can see I don't like my brows thin, but I was like, you know what? Let me just see how it goes. So I keep on watching. I literally can't see anything because I'm not in front of a mirror or anything. So I was like, okay, trusting her. I'm like, Lord Jesus, please just let her do me right. Like, I'm not trying to judge people or anything, but I was like, okay. I was also dumb in the beginning, but anyway, she carries on. Like, the eye is gorgeous and everything, right? I think I was one of the first few people that I think I was maybe the first person she did, like, as in between the 5 of us. I think there was 5 of us, I can't remember, but anyways, I was one of the first people that she did, and I was like, you know what, let's just get it over and done with and all of that. So going in with the Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray, I like to spray at the back and then I pounce it on the front of my arm, on the front of my hand, sorry, and I just like to set it in place. I haven't put any powder or anything on it. This one's very strong. She carries on. She's done. She did my eye like nice. I don't really do like dark colors on my eye. Maybe that's why I didn't like it. But other than that, the foundation had no coverage. She like literally like withered it away to like nothing. And you know, I'm a full coverage kind of girl. And then also, she did not put concealer under my eyes, which I'm like, why wouldn't you do that? Like, come on. So I had no concealer. She freaking put highlighter. She didn't put bronzer, she didn't put anything. She just put highlighter everywhere. My face was so effing shiny. I was just like, what the actual fuck? Sorry. Like, she put highlighter everywhere, and I was just like, what are you doing, bro? Like, what are you doing? So after that, I'm literally talking to my sister on our family group chat, and I sent her a picture of what I look like, and I was like, I'm so not happy. Like, I'm just like, I'm sitting here chatting to my sister, and I'm like angry texting and everything, and my best friend's like opposite me getting her hair done, and she's like, she can see, she's like, who are you angry texting? And I was just like, I'm not even gonna say anything. I just start laughing because I'm like, I'm not gonna make it about me, like, no. So then after that, she texts me, my best friend that's sitting across from me, she texts me, and she's like, what's wrong? And I just like flat out, I was like, no, let me just leave. So I not like leave, like as in leave the house or anything. I just went to go sit outside with my other friend Cassie. So then I'm sitting there and I'm just like, what the actual hell is going on right now? So then I did not pack any of my makeup because I was like, let me give this person the benefit of the doubt. But then I realized that was a fucking, sorry, that was a dumb ass, that's also rude, that was the dumbest thing I could ever do. And yeah, so I was just like, what were you thinking? Then I tell my sister, she sees it, and she's like, what the hell is going on? I'm like, I'm not happy. And then she obviously realizes that I'm also not happy. But then she's like, no, what can I do? She's like, my sister's the best, guys, like the best. She kicks into, what do you need? Like, I'll bring it to you. She had things to do that day. Luckily it was only like 10:30, so we still had time to like redo the makeup and everything, because the wedding was only at like 3, which was amazing, like an amazing thing. So I'm sorry, I'm setting my eyes, well, my concealer, with the Absolute translucent Yardley Absolute translucent powder. So then I'm just like in a frenzy and everything. I just keep bouncing in and out of this story, but I'm so sorry. Then she finally picks me up and she sees my face and she's like, baby girl, what's going on? Like, what were you thinking? And she like low-key also shouted at me, and I was like, yeah, I know, I'm sorry. So then she carries on, she shouts at me, and I was just like, okay, as long as then she brought all the stuff that I needed to redo my face. And then, thank the Lord, I redid it. It was so bad. I will actually insert a picture here of what it looked like. I was just so mortified. And literally, when we got to the wedding venue, I literally took off all the makeup with the rush and the urgency that I needed, and I redid my face, and I was just like, I'm definitely not doing this at all. So I redid my face, and everybody saw that that is what Nathanie looks like. She doesn't look like what the hell that lady painted on me. She looks like that. So I was so happy to have my own makeup, so happy. And it wasn't just me, like Danielle's sister, she's not even that dark, also got her makeup done from her, and she was shiny AF. Like, what the hell was going on? So that was like my little 2 seconds of drama. Well, it's not really drama, it was just like, I'm being dramatic, but no, I wasn't actually. If someone said that they are gonna face beat you and you are part of the bridal party, shouldn't it be a face beat from the gods? What if you have any comments, please put it down below of what I should have actually done in that whole criteria. But like, also, I'm not like a rude person, and I will never confront someone. I will rather fix the problem without that person knowing. Like, I'm that person. So after that, after all of this, setting my face and everything, contour, like contouring, and so this is the one I'm using currently. And yeah, so that was some of the drama that went down in your girl's life. What else? I think I did this in my life update. So I started studying again, and oh my word, studying and working, guys, it is for the brave. Let me tell you, it's for the brave. But I finished my exams. I'm just waiting for like the exam results, and then I am going to carry on. I have, I think, next year and then maybe like a year and a half left, because I went to a different university, so I need to get accreditation. That's it, accreditation. I wanted to see if they would accept my accreditation and work from there. So then I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, bubbly and dripping in gold, so it's these 3 shades. What I also like to do with this is, again, spritz the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix. Back of my hand. Guys, getting your lashes done is a motherfucking vibe. Like, I love putting on lashes. I love the fact that they're not like, they're not permanent, but getting your lashes done and you literally wake up feeling like that bitch. Like you wake up and you're just like, the day is yours. You don't wake up looking ugly. Especially now for summertime, you need to do these things because you don't know, at a drop of a hat, plans will change, bro. And you need to be ready. Like, you need to be ready. You need to stay ready, so you gotta be ready. Period. Guys, I have been so obsessed. I don't know if you guys follow her on YouTube. Her name is Nella Rose. Oh my word. I just want to be your best friend. Please let me know where the applications are at, baby girl. I'm obsessed. I feel like we deserve each other. Please slide in my DMs, girl. So I am going to be using the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to be lining my lips. I love the fact that the makeup, the way our parents used to do makeup, is like coming back into like it's like full circle. It's coming full circle. Because only they did like the dark and then you like do the light. And that's like the lip. And then I also like, it has no, the writing came off. This is the clear gloss that actually became pink because of how I do it. Gloss, and this is in the shade Behind the Scenes. I heard that this is like sold out everywhere. And I'm so sad. Actually, I haven't used this in a while. And I like to do that. And basically this is what the makeup looks like. I usually do this kind of makeup when I have to do like long hours, if I have like a full day vibe. For the bridal shower, I literally did this kind of makeup, obviously with my own lashes, well, not with my own lashes, with false eyelashes. And basically it lasted the whole day. We had to meet at like 9 AM in the morning to get our pedicures done together. And then after that we had the kitchen tea, bridal shower, kitchen tea / bridal shower. Then after that, in the night, we had a bri vibe. So it was literally the entire day. I think I only got home at like 11 and I left at 9. So, and this makeup lasted the whole day. And this is basically what I will do in summer. Obviously I will take powder with me to pack here and there, but basically this is the vibe. Period. Anyways, so this is the look. Actually really, and I will put my, if you are interested in getting your lashes done, especially for summer, and the lady where I do my lashes from is very affordable, so I will put her Instagram details down below and you can book her. Please tell her that I sent you, and maybe, you know, I can get a sweeter deal. Okay, so this is the finished look. If you are here with me at the end, I thank you so much, and I will see you next time.